Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I got this beautiful black watermelon I wanted to show you and share with you. Watermelon's very good for you. Kids' choice. Kids love these babies. No GMOs, not modified people. Little confusion about these beauties. But anyway, this is a black watermelon. You never know what you're going to get inside. Normally they're really sweet, really juicy. And by the way, I'm using this giant cutting board, 30 by 20, rock maple, made in the USA. Juice groove for meat drippings or fruit drippings, reversible, flat on the other side. You can only get it one place, and you better check it out. I'm using 3 tools today, and only 3 tools. A very sharp utility knife, a channel knife, the Chinese carving tool. You can get them all right there. So here we go. When you're carving a melon like this, you got to decide, you want to stand up or down like this, or on the side. What are you going to do? Well, it's a good idea to get a flat spot no matter what you do. So I'm going to start by just removing a little bit off the bottom here, and this is the unedible part anyway. Okay, there you go, first cut. Ooh, looks good. Now it stands up. I like it. Well, I'm going to use this and just put a pattern around here. Then I'm going to open up the top. So to put the pattern around, you can do any which way you like to do. I'm going to go with some lines like this, kind of symmetrical, and all the way around. You notice this melon is slightly different shaped. Mark it with my Chinese tool, and then after I decide how the markings are, I'm going to continue carving it. So I'm going to remove part of the top like this, all the way around this baby. Once you go all the way around, you can use these tools, as long as they're good quality. You can use them to do a little prying with like this. I'm actually going to just pry up. Oh yeah, look at that. I've got kind of a flower going on there. Smells really sweet and good. I like it. You can just go with a crisscross like that. And crisscross this way. Okay, cool, huh? Yeah. Okay, I'm moving on to a few other things here right now. So this is the finished melon. As of right now, I can do a lot more with it. Scoop out the rest, stuff it, more fruit. Chef here once again with all things butcher block. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. This is made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here with yet again another butcher block video. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old. And it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just going to put it on like this. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now. Yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion. Let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4. And the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Hello, Chef here, and I've got yet another recipe to share with you, as well as some tips. So follow along, and here we go. Okay, this old block's coming along good. It's fine sanded. I like where it's at right now. I'm ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off. Just with the look and the color. Oh yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, check out the sponsor. And yeah, it's looking really, really good. It's going to soak in and penetrate, so I'm not worried about a little extra oil. That's fine. Once again, your sponsor's right here, and I'll be back to show you this finished block soon. When I'm applying the oil, I do apply a little more in the areas that have more cut marks, more deep scratches and things like that. I'm going to give you a little walk around this block right now to show you how nice it is, and I will finish up over the next few days with several applications. Here we go, just a quick walk around this block as it's finished up. This again is a 48 by 25 by 4. This particular one has a oak frame installed around it. Was done a long time ago. Just want to show you the finished block after a lot of work. It's looking really, really good. Yeah, we got to let that oil penetrate. Let it soak in. If you need a block or butcher block treatment, contact the professionals right there. chefdepot.com. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it. And that's it. Have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Keep this channel going. And you're the chef's friend. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.